The contractor you choose can make all the difference between a beautiful backyard oasis and a costly disappointment. Research shows that the most successful outdoor projects share one thing in common. They're built by experienced contractors with proven track records. Think about it. Would you want a rookie pilot flying your plane? The same goes for your outdoor project. The best contractors have spent years perfecting their craft, with thousands of successful projects under their belt. It's not just about experience, it's about process. Top contractors have developed specialized installation methods that ensure your project stands the test of time. They use proven systems that go beyond industry standards, from the ground up. Your contractor should be your project partner, keeping you informed every step of the way. Look for companies that provide clear written proposals, dedicated project managers, regular updates, easy accessibility. A solid warranty isn't just paperwork, it's peace of mind. The best contractors stand behind their work with comprehensive coverage that protects your investment for years to come. Before making your decision, ensure your contractor has 10+ years in business, verified customer references, professional installation methods, written warranties, proper licensing and insurance. Remember, your outdoor space is more than just a project. It's an investment in your home and lifestyle. Take your time choosing a contractor who's not only qualified but also shares your vision for creating the perfect outdoor space where memories will be made for years to come. Choose a contractor who makes you feel confident about the whole process. One who combines experience, professionalism, and genuine excitement about bringing your vision to life. If you're ready to get with the renovation experience you deserve, connect with System Pavers to book a free design consultation.